First question. Point X and Y are 20 km north and 9 km east of point O. Point X is 20 km north and Y is 9 km east. These now, they take their measurements from point O. These are point O here now. So first one is 20 km north. That means we are moving like this. That is 20 km north. And Y is what? 9 km east. 9 km east. Then this is our X. Here is our Y. So correct to the nearest degree. What is the bearing of Y from X? So that means we have to take our measurements from here. So to know the bearing of Y from X, that means that asking us to give them this value, bearing of Y from X. That means we take our measurements from X. So when we have this, and from here to here gives us 90 degrees. From here to here gives us 90 degrees. Here to here gives us 90 degrees. So for us to know the values for this, we first look for the value of the angle inside the triangle. I told you this side and this side both represent X, but in the sense that we've divided it into two, that means we need to know the value for this, we need to know the value for this. But the first value we have to get for, let's know the value for the inner angle. So the value for the inner angle now, I will represent it with theta. That is the inner value, but it's still X. But now you've seen I've divided X into two parts. So the inner part, I'll be representing it with theta. And the outer part, I'll be representing it with alpha. So when I have this now, the first thing I'm to do now, let me look for the value of the inner part, which is the theta. So for me to look for the value of the inner angle now, I will take us back to our SOHCAHTOA. Where we have our sine theta as opposite over hypotenuse. We have cos theta as adjacent over hypotenuse. And we have our tan theta as opposite over adjacent. Here now, looking at this angle, first look at the angle. The side facing here is what? 9. And the adjacent side is 20. Then we now proceed. We have tan theta equals opposite is 9 over adjacent, which is 20. Then we have tan theta equals 9 divided by 20. That gives us 0.45. The next thing we do is to have theta equals we're having theta equals 24.23 degree. So I already got the inner angle now, which is our theta, as 24.23. So I need to get the value of the outer angle, which is our alpha. And from here to here automatically is 90 degrees. That means we have theta plus alpha giving us what? 90 degrees. For me now to know the value of alpha, the value of alpha now becomes alpha equals 90 minus theta. Now alpha equals 90 minus 24.23. I'm having alpha as 65.77 degree. So when I have my alpha already at 65.77 degree, then I come, therefore, the bearing of y from x equals, here to here is 90. 90 plus our alpha, which is 65.77. That gives us 155.77 degree. And from our question, we are told to calculate it to the nearest degree. And calculate this, taking this to the nearest degree gives us 156 degree.